How to make a video go viral, with 5 easy tips. With the advent of social media and the rise in popularity of websites like YouTube, viral videos quickly began to pop up. What is a viral video? Videos can go viral on any platform that hosts video content. 5 easy tips on how to make a video go viral. Even though there is no scientific formula, there are some key factors, other than luck, to keep in mind if you are hoping to make a viral video. 1. Keep it short and sweet. For example, TikTok only allows creators to make videos for up to 3 minutes. 2. Have a clear point. Having a niche is a great way to make sure you are reaching a specific audience. 3. Stay relevant. Make sure your video is relevant to what is going on in the news, pop culture, or internet discourse. 4. Try to be relatable. Being relatable boils down to being your raw and honest self. 5. Be consistent. The chances of making a viral video on your first try are pretty slim. How many views make a video viral? 1 million views used to be considered viral back in 2015. The benefits of viral videos. A viral video is a clear indicator of success. 5 creative viral video ideas. In 2020, there was a total of 244.4 million people watching videos in the US alone. 1. Comedy video. If you are stuck on where to start, look for inspiration from events in your daily life. 2. Music video. If you are not musically inclined but still want to give it a go, try a parody music video by making up your own lyrics to another song. 3. Challenge video. Even if it does not go viral, it will still be fun to make. 4. Funny animal or baby video. You can always add music over it to enhance its comedic tone.